In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can close apps here on a MacBook Air M4. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's 3 different methods to do this. And in this guide, we're going to be using Google Chrome as an example to show you all 3. Now, as you can see, if you look on my dock right now, right underneath that Google Chrome app icon, there's going to be a little dot that indicates that that app is running in the background. To close it, what you could do is just right click or 2-finger click on that app on your dock, and then you can hit quit, and you could do this for every single one of your apps. However, let's say that that app isn't closing normally and it's not closing when you try and do that. You can hit Command, Option, and Escape just like so. And this is going to bring up the Force Quit applications page. We could find that application on here, select it, and then hit Force Quit. Another way to do this is by hitting Command Space to bring up the Spotlight search and typing in Activity Monitor. Open this up, search Google Chrome, and then of course go ahead and select it. And then from here, go ahead and hit this little like stop sign looking button with an X to it. That'll go ahead and quit it or force quit it as well. But that is it. That is it. You can close applications here on a MacBook Air M4. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.